The holidays are coming, but your bank account isn't ready. We've all been there. The stress of scrambling for last-minute Christmas gifts, feeling that holiday budget panic creeping up, and realizing you've overspent once again. But what if this year was different? What if you could sit back, relax, and actually enjoy the holidays, without worrying about your finances? That's right. It's time to get ahead of the game by setting up your Christmas fund, and today, I'm going to show you how to do it smartly, so you can not only survive the season, but thrive through it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the perfect blueprint to start saving for Christmas 2024, without breaking a sweat. So grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take notes. Number 1. The problem. The fear of overspending. Let's start with a harsh reality check. If you're like most people, you've probably overspent during the holidays at least once. According to recent studies, the average American racked up over $1,000 in holiday debt last year alone. And here's the kicker, this kind of debt isn't just stressful. It can haunt you well into the new year. Imagine starting January with credit card bills stacked up to the ceiling, struggling to get back on track after weeks of indulging in that holiday spirit. It's exhausting, and it makes it harder to achieve the life of financial freedom and wealth that you're aiming for. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to spend the next year paying for the previous holiday season. The secret to winning at Christmas this year is setting up a Christmas fund, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Number 2. The solution. Setting up a Christmas fund. Here's the game changer, a Christmas fund. It's simple, but powerful. The idea is to start setting money aside now, so when the holidays roll around, you're prepared. No panic, no last-minute scrambling. Step 1. Start early. Seriously. The earlier, the better. If you start today, you'll have 3 weeks to begin building your savings for Christmas 2024. By setting aside $100 each week, you'll accumulate $300 by the time Christmas arrives. Doesn't that sound better than going into debt? Step 2. Make it automatic. Set up an automatic transfer into a separate savings account every paycheck. It's easy, painless, and best of all, it removes the temptation to spend that money on other things. Out of sight, out of mind, but ready to use when it matters. Step 3. Track your spending. Start to create a holiday spending plan. Track your gift list, your travel plans, and all those little expenses. You'll be amazed at how much control you'll have, and how much more realistic your budget will look. By planning now, you set yourself up for a stress-free, financially smart holiday season. Just imagine how satisfying it will feel to see that Christmas fund line grow. No more dread, no more financial surprises. Number 3. The reward, the joy of a stress-free holiday season. Now, here's where the real magic happens. When you take control of your finances, you experience a holiday season like never before. You get to enjoy the festive spirit without the looming anxiety over how you'll pay for it all. You can spoil the people you love with thoughtful gifts, because you planned ahead, not because you're running on a credit card binge. And that sense of freedom, it's priceless. You're living the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, one where money works for you, not the other way around. But here's the catch, it's up to you to start now. The clock is ticking, and the longer you wait, the harder it gets. So, let me ask you, are you ready to set yourself up for a successful, debt-free holiday season in 2024? Right now is the perfect time to act, before the holiday rush. If you start today, the next Christmas will feel completely different. You'll have that sense of financial confidence, knowing you're ahead of the curve. And trust me, that feeling will carry over into every other area of your life, helping you make smarter financial decisions, build wealth, and live that abundant lifestyle you're working toward. So, are you ready to take control of your holiday finances? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below on how you plan to set up your Christmas fund, and share this video with someone who needs a little holiday help. Let's all step into 2025 financially free, because a wealthy life begins with smart decisions. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stress-free, joy-filled holiday season ahead.